Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machines and tools. This is practical work, not reading. First, verify your Linux distro and resource minimums, then disable swap so Kubelet behaves predictably. Next, install a container runtime like Docker or Containered and the Kubeatum toolchain plus kubectl and kubelet. Once done, tune kernel networking with net. Bridge and fcolliptables equals 1 and open control plane ports, such as 6443 and 10250. These steps make the cluster components able to communicate. You now create the control plane. This is where the cluster is born. Execute kubeatum init and include a pod network sitter that matches your chosen CNI, because networking must align. After init, set up kubeconfig by copying /etc//kubernetes/admin conf into $home/ cube so kubectl talks to the new cluster. Then deploy your CNI plugin. Flannel or Calico are common choices, and watch kube system pods until they report running. Make sure to note the kubeatum join command printed. You will use it to add worker nodes. You finish by adding workers and validating the environment. Use the kubeatum join command from the control plane output on every worker, including token and the discovery token concert hash, so nodes authenticate securely. Once joined, label nodes for roles, and if you need pods on the control plane, remove or adjust taints. Apply a storage class for persistent volumes, then test. Kubectl get nodes, deploy a simple app, and access it through a service. If a node stays not ready, check kubelet logs and confirm container runtime and networking. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.